Hey, it's your boy Joey. We're out here. It's been a while. Some explanations. Still having computer issues. Makes editing not fun. Still recording though. So when I finally figure it out, uh, today probably because it's gonna rain. We need it, so I'm not gonna complain. Uh, Me and Mike are alive. I'm currently not working. This hand is super messed up again, and yeah, it's making life not fun right now. Uh, I'll do another detailed video about it soon. Uh, yeah, just want to let you know why there's not videos. I'm not recording a lot right now because I can't do much with my hand. Um, the next couple videos, we're gonna do some painting on the truck. Gonna try and remove the trim, probably those. We got these badges off. We did a good old pressure washer on here, and you can see how much rust. I got most of the flaky paint. Got some supplies to sand and paint. With Dad's wedding coming up, I really wanted to make this look a lot nicer. Lights are mostly working. I'm in contact with a local company that's going to help me figure out a new wire harness for the flatbed. I may just go down there and talk to them because this thing is a mess. I do want to get LED lights all the way around. I want to get these working. I want to get some reflector strips along here and here. Want to paint my shackles and get some smaller ones, so when I have the trailer hooked up, things are right. And like, you can just see how much rust is on here. The cab is looking really good still, except for where you climb in and out right there. And then like here, you can really tell these tires be kicking a lot of stuff up. Thinking maybe I should get a mud flap right here. This is going to be the biggest pain in the ass because it's diamond plates. But like, I just want it to look semi-fresh again and not like garbage. But anyways, that's some quick updates for you. I'm not gonna edit this video, just sending it up. Yeah. Peace out.